Hey there everybody, it's Auto Guy Bry here, and I wanted to show you a few things about the Civic that you probably didn't know your Civic had the capability of doing. So coming up is the top 5 things that you probably didn't know about your Civic. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you about is the windows and how they can automatically roll out. So if you're coming out of a grocery store and you know it's going to be really hot inside your car, Honda has developed a way to roll down your windows with the key fob so that by the time you get to your car, it'll be nice and cooled off when you open up the doors. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the key fob like so. You're going to push the unlock button twice, and on the second time you're going to hold it. And when you hold it like that, all the windows, including the moonroof, open up just like so. There is another way that you can roll up these windows, by the way. So what you're going to have to do is take out the key. I'm going to put that in my pocket for a second. Take out the key like so, and you basically put it inside of the car door like this. Move it over twice, and on the second time, hold it. And then all the windows and the moonroof will close just like that. Pretty cool, huh? Tip number 2 is pretty cool. So when your doors are locked, the fuel door will remain locked. So you can see I can push this and it doesn't open. However, if I unlock the car, all of a sudden this becomes free to open up. How cool is that? So tip number 3 is the brake hold button, which is right here. A lot of people have no idea what this button actually does. So when you are in drive in your car and you're driving down the road, if it becomes a parking lot on the road, as in like stop and go traffic, instead of having your foot lay on that brake pedal over there, you can now push this brake hold button and a little green indicator on the screen will come on, as you can see it right over there, saying that the brake hold has now been activated. Now I can take my foot off the brake, my car doesn't move anywhere, and when the traffic starts moving again, I can just push on the gas and away I go. Just like that. How neat is that? Tip number 4 is sport mode. Which is actually on the shifter here. You can see where it says D and then S. So you got your drive as always, and then you've got S, which is sport mode. And all sport mode does is while you are driving, the RPMs will stay up a little bit higher. It basically adds a little more oomph to your engine. If you need to pass like a truck or something like that on the road and you need to gither, then put it in the sport mode and that'll give you that extra boost that you need. So tip number 5 is the hidden menu on your home screen. Let me show you. So the hidden menu on the Honda home screen here. Now, a lot of people wonder, how did I get that live wallpaper to show up there? And it's very simple, really. All you have to do is swipe down from the top, and you can see another little menu button right up here. If you push that button, it'll open up a different screen, and you can then go hit display, wallpaper, and then you can choose either regular wallpapers, as in changing it to these different screens here, or you can go to live wallpapers. You can go down to the bottom here, Nexus. That's the one I chose right there. And then you can just go set wallpaper, and there you go. You push home again, and that is the new wallpaper for your home screen. Bonus tip here, if you want to change this skin altogether, all you have to do is push settings. This is tip number 6. The bonus skin. So you go to system, and then you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and then you go to change skin. You select next, say yes, and there you go. Completely new Honda skin. And you can also optionally change it to your own background skin from a USB stick with your own pictures on it. So that's pretty cool too. So there you have it, everybody. I'm Auto Guy Bry. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope these tips helped you. How many of those tips did you actually know already? Leave a comment down below. If you're new here and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Guy Bry by hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon whenever I release a new video. We'll see you guys next time.